Ira always believed there was plenty of time. Time to study, time to improve, time to change her life. She was young. Life felt long. And tomorrow always felt safe. Every morning, her alarm rang. And every morning, she pressed snooze. 5 more minutes, she whispered. Those 5 minutes often became an hour. She wasn't careless. She wasn't foolish. She was just lazy. Not because she didn't have dreams. She did. Big ones. She wanted success. She wanted respect. She wanted a better life. But wanting was easy. Doing was hard. So she delayed. I'll start tomorrow. I'll work later. I still have time. Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. And slowly, so did her confidence. One afternoon, Ira sat alone in her room, books unopened, phone glowing in her hand, deadlines already missed. Outside, the sun was setting. She looked at the clock, 6:47 p.m., and suddenly, a strange feeling hit her chest. Not fear, not sadness, regret. She realized how many sunsets she had wasted, how many chances she had ignored. That evening, she visited her old grandfather, a man with tired eyes and calm wisdom. He noticed her silence. "What's wrong?" he asked gently. Ira sighed. "I feel stuck," she said. "I want to change, but I keep wasting time." Her grandfather smiled softly. He didn't lecture her. He didn't scold her. He simply said, "Sit with me." They sat quietly. Then he pointed at an old clock hanging on the wall. "Do you know," he said, "time is the only thing. Life never gives back." Ira looked at the clock. Tick, tick, tick. Money can return. He continued. People can return. Opportunities sometimes return. But time. He shook his head. Once it leaves, it never looks back. Those words cut deeper than any scolding. He looked at Ira and said, "Lazy people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they think time is endless." That night, Ira couldn't sleep. She kept hearing the clock. Tick, tick, tick. The next morning, something changed. Not magically, not perfectly, but honestly. She woke up when the alarm rang. No es noce. Her body felt heavy. Her mind resisted. But she stood up anyway. Not because she felt motivated, but because she felt aware. Aware that time was watching her. She studied for just 30 minutes, cleaned her desk, put her phone away. Small actions, but real ones. Days passed. Some days she failed. Some days she improved. But one thing was different now. She respected time. She stopped saying, "I'll do it later." She started saying, "I'll do it now." Slowly, her life responded. Her focus improved. Her confidence returned. Her laziness lost its power. Not because she became perfect, but because she stopped wasting the most precious thing she owned, time. And today, if you're listening to this, maybe you're like Maha, waiting, delaying, postponing your life. Let me tell you this gently. Your future is being built by what you do today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Time is silent, but it's always watching. Use it well, before it leaves you behind. And if this story touched you, subscribe to English Storylight for more powerful stories that awaken your mind and change your life. You may also like our story about building discipline, because discipline is how we protect our time. Until next time, respect time, because one day it will ask you what you did with it.